Assalamualaikum warahmatullah, and thank you for being in this video. We are here to present our project, which is the Smart Cafeteria Menu and Queue Management System. Let's start this video by introducing our team members. Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad Syawal bin Othman. My student ID is 202343838. I'm the project leader and I'm in charge of overseeing our entire project, which is Smart Cafeteria Menu and Queue Management System, ensuring we make project goal and finish before it due.
Hi, so my name is Ashraf bin Roslan. My student ID is 2023415442, and my role is a database designer.
Hi, my name is Mohammad Iman bin Halim, and my student ID 2023813842, and my role is UI designer.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad Qusyairizaim bin Mohamad Zaki, and my student ID is 20234062226. My role in this group project is back-end developer.
First of all, let's start by addressing the challenges our project aims to solve within the UiTM Cafeteria's environment. We have identified several key issues. Firstly, there are consistently long queues and significant waiting time during peak hours, and this creates a bottleneck and impact efficiency. Secondly, students often have limited break time between classes, making this extended waiting time period particularly problematic. It truly makes it difficult for them to get their meals on time. And furthermore, there are current lack of digital tools for efficient queue management or real-time menu availability update. And this means users don't have the information they need upfront. And finally, the cafeteria staff often feel overwhelmed due to manual processes and lack of automation, and this impact their operational flow. And all of these points highlight a clear need for a more streamlined and modern approach to cafeteria operation. So, to tackle all of these issues, our project has three core objectives. Our primary goal is to develop a web application that facilitates pre-ordering and efficient queue management for all UiTM cafeteria users, and this will allow for more organized meal retrieval. And secondly, we aim to provide a real-time update on order status and estimate waiting time, and this transparency will significantly enhance the user experience. And thirdly, we intend to improve user engagement by enabling feedback submission and maintaining an order history. This feature will allow users to track their purchases and provide valuable information. Now, let's outline the scope of our Smart Cafeteria Menu and Queue Management System. Our system will feature a web-based platform accessible to students, to staff, to administrative personnel, and to everyone. This ensures broad usability across the university community. And our system will also be a mobile responsive interface. It is so that we can guarantee a seamless functionality across various devices, from smartphone to desktop computers. And our system will also integrate a real-time order update and notification features, so that we can keep users informed through their ordering process. And our system also have a dedicated dashboard for cafeteria staff, so that they can efficiently manage incoming orders and update menu availability. And this will centralize their operational control. And finally, our system will have an admin panel for comprehensive user management and generating operational report, and this provide necessary oversight for data analysis. In conclusion, the Smart Cafeteria Menu and Queue Management System is designed to significantly enhance the cafeteria experience at UiTM by introducing a more efficient, transparent, and user-friendly platform. We believe this system will lead to tangible improvement for both user and cafeteria staff.
So now I'll be presenting the use case diagram for our project, the Smart Cafeteria Menu and Queue Management System. This diagram is used to show how different type of users or actors interact with the system through specific features or use cases. So the actor in the system, there are three main actors in the system. One, customer, the end user who interact with the menu and places food orders. Number two, cafeteria staff, responsible for managing food preparation, order updates, and menu content. And the last one, admin, oversees the entire system and manages user account. Each actor has different responsibility and access to different system functionalities. So we go to the first use cases, that is login. Before any actor can use the system, they must first log in. The login use case is shared starting point for all users. It ensures that only authorized users gain access to the system and its feature. So for the customer use cases, customers are the primary user of the ordering system. Number one, view menu. This allows customer to browse through all available food and drink items before placing an order. Number two, place order. After deciding what to eat, customer use this function to select menu items, choose quantities, and submit their order. Number three, pre-estimated time. Once the order is placed, the system displays the estimated waiting time for preparation, so customer know when to expect their food. Number four, update pickup status. After picking up their food, customer can mark the order as collected to notify the system and staff. And the last one, write feedback. After completing their meal, customer can leave comment or review, which help improve future service. These use cases give customer a smooth, user-friendly experience. Now let's move on to the cafeteria staff use cases. These are designed to help staff manage and prepare order effectively. So number one, view order. Staff can view all current and past customer orders, including item details and order times. Number two, update order status. As order move through stages like preparing, ready, or completed, staff can update the status accordingly. Number three, view feedback. Staff can read the feedback submitted by customers to learn about their satisfaction and improve food quality or service. And the last one, for the cafeteria staff, update menu. This use case allows staff to modify the menu, such as adding new dishes or removing available one. Together, this action ensures the kitchen runs smoothly and efficiently. So we go to the last sector, that is admin. Admin use cases. Admin manage user account and maintain the system. There is a general use case, manage user, and it includes three extended use cases. So number one, add user, used to register new customer, staff, or other admin into the system. Number two, update user, allow the admin to modify existing user detail such as name, role, or login credential. So last one, remove user. If a user no longer need access, the admin can remove them from the system. These use cases help keep the system secure, organized, and up to date. So to summarize, this use case help us really understand who the user of our system are, what action each user can perform, and how the system support different role and operation. The diagram also ensure that we design a system that meets a meet the specific need of each user group from customer to staff and admins.
Alright, so I will continue with the system demonstration. So in case if your customer do not have an account yet, so customer need to register first. So after the username is given, the password is 1245. Okay. Email is given at email.com. And the email is registration successful. So let's try to log in. In 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is our customer dashboard that will display our popular menu item, and it will display a different thing once we refresh. So let's say we registered with the I-70. So now, as you can see, the chicken rice is out of stock, the vanilla ice is out of stock, and the ice is out of stock. So let's try to order I-70. Try to order 3. Lemon tea, this only 3 lemon tea can be made available because the stock that we have only 3. So let's check it card. And let's say the customer want to add more order. You need to back to menu and add to cart the new things. And now we can check out. So this is our order details. The status for our order is pending, and our queue number is 3. And our order is placed at 15:57 p.m. Now let's try to log into the staff account. So this is our staff dashboard that have display about total sale for today, total order pending, in process, and completed. Okay, this is order that has been made by Hakim, which is pending. So we change the status to in process, which means that the cafe already accept the order from the customer and try to open the customer dashboard. And the pop-up shown that your order is being prepared. Estimated pickup time is 4 p.m., which is 5 minutes. 5 minutes from our order. So the status which is in process. So the pickup time is 4 p.m. And see on the reverse menu. And our S70 already out of stock. So it will change after this staff accept the order and change the status to the in process. Now let's go back to the staff. Okay, let's do the status to the completed. So if staff change the order status to completed, staff needs to update at the queue also. So the pickup status is ready. Customer can and the pop-up said that your order is completed and ready to pick up. Customer can view order details, and if customer done picking up, customer can click here I have picked up and give a review. Sonic review. Now we can try to look out and log into the stuff bag. Okay. The editor that's for our enemy is completed. And the 2 is also picked up. Now take the reviews. Customer make a review. Okay, which is the feedback is for service that you have been making before. And also the staff can reply to the feedback. Was submitted successfully. But the feedback can be filtered by the team. Mission star, no feedback for star, meter star, 2 star, no, and 5. So now let's try to go into this customer bag. To pop up, you have new reply for staff review, new feedback. Thanks for your feedback. We can try to make a change password for customer. The old password is 12345. The password is 678910. Password update successfully. Start to log in back. 678910. Okay, this is our custom dashboard. And we can log in to the custom. Okay, now let's try to add order from stock. So stock can manage menu. I can try to screenshot the vendors. Picture is price if you ringgit. And the category is good. So this is our new menu that we have been added. Let's say the staff want to edit something. Let's say edit price. As you can see, the price is updated from 15 to 13. So now let's look to the admin dashboard. This is our admin dashboard, and it will display total user, which is 5. 1 admin, 1 staff, and 3 customer. We can also search name for our user, but we need to enter the new name. Yes. This is the record for Hakim. And actually we can also update the report. We want the email, and we also can delete the user from admin. User deleted successfully. There are no more hacking. That's all from me. Thank you. I'm sorry, but there are something features that I have not covered yet, which is manage stock. This one stock. See. We have made a new which is chicken tenders. So we would like to add a stock for our chicken tenders. Okay. So we can open the menu customer dashboard. This one. And this is our new chicken tenders and I already have stock. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
I'm going to explain about some of our code that are crucial to our system that include food process. So first, we will go through the loading function. So this is our loading function. So the purpose of the function is to verify the credential of the user, which is username and password, whether it is the same as the one in the database. Okay, so for the next one, we have for the next one we have estimate waiting time for customer function. So what it does is when the order status is changed to in process, which is manually done by the staff. The estimate time formula will be estimate time equal to the time the button update is being clicked plus 5 minutes. So what it does is it updates the estimate time in the database. And then for our manage stock, we have a stock management and item availability function. So here, so the purpose is to allow staff to update stock quantity of menu items and manage the availability. So what it does is it update the stock quantity for menu items, and then change the availability of an item into available or unavailable based on the stock. So the code process included is update stock quantity and item availability in the database. And then we have a card validation and order placement function. Here from there to from here to here. So the purpose of the function is to validate stock before checkout and place an order. So what it does, it check if there is enough stock for each item in the cart, and then put an order and insert item into the orders and orders item table. Lastly, it updates the stock after the order is confirmed, which means that the deduction of the stock will be done when the order is confirmed or checked out. So the group process include is create a new order and order items in the database and then update stock quantity in the database after the order is placed. And lastly, we have a manage user, which we have add user function, delete user function, and also update user function. So the purpose is to allow admins to manage all of the user account. So what it does is it add user here. Here is the add user function, and then here is the delete user function. So delete user means it remove a user from the system. Add function, it adds a new user into the database, and then update user is it change or modify the detail of an existing user. So all of the functions perform specific actions that correspond to code operations.
So, to wrap things up, our smart cafeteria system aims to transform the daily cafeteria routine by introducing a pre-ordering, real-time update, and better queue management. We are confident we can significantly reduce wait time and improve efficiency for both users and staff. This project represents a step forward in enhancing the campus experience here at UiTM. That's all from us. Thank you.